Our catalog is called GIL Find, and it is also accessible from that library page that I mentioned earlier. And I'm going to do a search for the exact same topic that we did earlier. Now you can see I'm searching at South Georgia State College. If you don't see any resources here that you would like to use or you can use, click and select University System of Georgia, but you can see my search results did not change. Still same number of results. So this did not actually go ahead and do that search. I still need to click and get that to perform that search. And it is taking its time. Okay, there it goes. So now we've got 8,563 results. That's quite a few more. If it's a book, you can request that through our GIL Express service and have that sent here for you to use. It may be available through a database. If it's not one that you can access, you can request it and we can get a hold of that for you. A lot of these will be available online. To get a resource from another library, let me check this one. It says it's available here at Georgia Tech and University of Georgia. So to request one of these, I'll need to sign in, and I'll do that to show you what it looks like. So you're going to be students, faculty, and staff. That option, and I'll click continue. And it takes me back to that page. So it says no available services for that item. But it does show us here that it is available for a 28-day loan. So you can request that item. You can select your pickup institution and location, add a comment if you need to, and send that request. So let's go back. It also gives you the table of contents, title, author, and a summary. Not every book will include a summary this detailed, but this one does. There is a method to get a citation from GIL Find. We've got MLA 9th, Harvard, Chicago Turabian, and APA 7th. I will say yet again, always double check these citations if you grab them from here because there may be something that's inaccurate. There's even a little reminder down here. I will, while we're on the topic, show you what your library account will look like. So you can see I don't have any loans, fines, requests, or anything like that, but it will show you here if you do have any information. Now, if I do have a loan and it's through GIL Express from another university, we are not able to renew that for you, and we're not able to see that you have it checked out. In order to renew your GIL Express loans, you need to come to your library account here in this GIL Find portal and renew the book yourself. Sadly, we are not able to see that and access it for you. You'll be able to see the status of any requests that you have, and that way you can get an idea of if the book is on the way. Okay, so now we're going to go back and do a search at our location. So we've got those 785 results showing. You can see that some of those are full access online, some are available in the library, and it also helpfully tells you that there are peer-reviewed journals and open access resources available as well. If you scroll down, you can select the location, change the date range if you needed something more recent. If you're on campus, Douglas or Waycross campus, and you need a physical resource today, make sure you select which campus that you are currently on so that you only get results for that campus. Let's say I was on the Waycross campus. You can see we've got 22 results here. And I did notice I just had a little typo earlier. I typed an extra S up there. Let's see if changing that changes our results at all. Usually the system is pretty good about picking close results. So now let's go back and see how many are on Waycross campus. Okay, we've still got the same 22, so that didn't change the number of results. But if you're not getting very many results, or you're getting strange results, do make sure that you have typed your keywords incorrectly, and you may even need to evaluate your keywords and change those if you're not getting what you feel like you need. So I'm going to select Full Access Online to show you the difference. Okay, so you can see all of them say online access. It does tell you this journal has been peer reviewed for this resource specifically, which is nice for it to include there. You've got eBooks, a lot of eBooks and other resources. So let's say that we're going to look for peer-reviewed journals specifically. Since there's only 4, we'll go ahead and narrow that way down. So you can see each of the results, and if you select one, you should be able to follow any of these links and access it. If you end up having problems, maybe try finding a different resource. Some can have glitches. And I'm going to click on that. Okay, and you can see it doesn't take you directly into it because there are a lot of different issues. So I'm going to select this one, and I'll go into this one just as an example. But you'll make sure that you find the volume and issue number that you're looking for, and that it's published in the year that you were searching for. And then accessing these is the same as accessing them through the other search options. And then here we are, we're in one. Can grab that citation or whatever else we need to do. And finally, I'm going to quickly go over our ebook and print book options. So I'm going to remove these 2 filters. You can remove them individually like I just did, or you can click to remove all filters at the same time. So now we're going to select Available in the Library, and this will show us print books that are available. And it will show you which campus they're at. So this one is on the Waycross campus, and this one is on the Douglas campus. If you're on one of the campuses and you'd like a book from the other campus, you can request that, and it'll be sent through our GIL Express service. So now, since there are more options available online, I'm going to remove this filter, but I'll click Reset Filters to show you that it does the same thing. So let's do Full Access Online, and I want to select Books this time. Okay, so we've got roughly 700 results, and you can go into any of these. I'll just select this one. You can get your citation, and just like with the journal articles, there's a link here that you should be able to click and access the ebook. Okay, so from here, if you're on ProQuest, it's going to take you to this page, and you can go and click Read Online, Download PDF Chapter, or any of the other options. But if you click there, it's going to take you directly into the book. And just like in Galileo, you're able to search in the book for any key terms that you're looking for. And there you go. If you have any questions about any of these resources that we've mentioned in this video, just reach out to your librarians and we'll help you. We're more than happy to answer your questions. And